thought somebody was behind me. Okay. And then you can run them out and into that. Sure. Rambo. Cut that ram corn.
Yeah, I figured I thought I was going to ask you about that at when we did CDNT next time. We'll just You're a pet.
Do you want him to paint her?
Yeah, you can paint her, Adam.
Got one more sheep, Adam. It's my turn. Huh? No, you got one more sheep to do, and then it's my turn.
No, where's the boot?
I only got 2. Yeah, you get 3, and then I do 3.
You got her painted, Adam?
Yeah. You should just put that. No, there's 2 picnic spots right here. Oh, yeah. Here was my picnic spot.
We need to let some of these by us. James. Okay. Ready?
Okay, Adam, swing that way and get him. Swing that way.